So if you have installed the new Tahoe OS for your Mac, you might notice that when you have like folders tagged, and you might have a certain color, maybe you have multiple tags for that, because maybe you're working on a project like I am. You don't necessarily want the folders to also be colored, or maybe you do. For me, it's kind of annoying because it is picking the last tag that I tagged that folder with as the color of that folder, which kind of messes with my eyes because I'm like, oh man, I must have missed one that I was doing. And I'm like, oh no, I didn't, because I actually completed the whole thing. So I'm just like, what in the world is going on here? So how do I turn that off? Well, it's real quick and easy. You just go up here to Finder, Settings, and if you naturally open it up on General, you just click on the tags. And down here at the bottom, it says tint folders based on tags. You just flip that off, and now your folders are back to the color that they're supposed to be at. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick tip. Catch you in the next one.